Hi there, Premiere Guy here. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Rate Stretch tool. So, let's fire up Premiere Pro. Before we hook in, you can download the footage that I am using in this video from Pexels Videos. I'll put the link in the description for you guys. What is the Rate Stretch tool in the first place? Well, we can easily change the speed of the video clip to fast or slow motion using this tool. For this demo, we have this train clip. Very cool. To access the Rate Stretch tool, click and hold the Ripple Edit tool, and a little pop-up window will come up. From here, we can choose the Rate Stretch tool, or the keyboard shortcut is R. We are going to make this video clip faster. In order to do that, we need to go to the end of this train clip, and then we drag it to the left. As you can see, the clip became shorter, but we did not remove anything from the actual clip. We just made it faster by roughly 96%, so it's now 196.62%. Let's check out the results. We can see that it is extremely quicker in both the video and the sound now. To make it slower, all that we have to do is pull it to the right. We can see that the clip became slower by roughly 12%, as now it's 88.18%. The normal speed is 100%, so if we want to make the video playback faster, it's going to be higher than 100%. If we want to make the clip slower, it's going to be lower than 100%. Let's now check the results after making the train clip slower. It's kind of a nice effect, especially if we want it to be a dramatic effect. Also, the sound is slower, so keep that in mind. That's it. You have now learned how to use the Rate Stretch tool in Premiere Pro. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.